Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 15th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course all included. So anyways, US dollar CAD, I mean, I've been saying for quite a while that this was going to go down, make 5 waves down, which would take out these lows, which I still think is very possible. But if the dollar index keeps pushing up, then this may likely keep pushing up also. We do have Canadian CPI news this afternoon, so maybe that's what's going to be what causes the end of this wave too. Going down to the weekly, I mean, this is a very, very strong move to the upside, but to me, it just seems very, very clear that this is likely a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of A. This is 1, 2, 3 waves up for B, and it seems still to me that it could be a 1, a 2, and then it should go down and make a 3, a 4, and a 5, which would be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of C, most likely a C of B. So let's keep going down to the daily time frame. Very, very strong move to the upside, but like I said, it looks like a Kretzentil still. It looks like possibly 3 waves up, 3 waves down, and now we're in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up. We are kind of overextending for it to be an expanding flat. We're pretty much right at the area where an expanding flat should turn. We do have Canadian CPI today, so if it does make a big engulfing move down, then hopefully it's the end of a wave too. If it doesn't, then yeah, maybe it will just keep on going up and taking out the previous highs. Technically, ever since this thing broke structure to the upside several weeks ago, we probably should have been looking for longs in an uptrend anyways. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we broke structure to the upside way back here about almost 2.5 weeks ago. So ever since then, you definitely should have been looking for longs. Now with the CPI coming out today, hopefully it does a nice impulsive move to the downside. Maybe not that dramatic, but if it does go down, if it does break structure, hopefully that will help tell us that this correction really is over and that it's going down. I would be a little bit cautious until it actually does break structure, because if it doesn't break, then it could just keep on trending up on the higher time frames. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, if we zoom out a little bit, I do kind of think there could be 5 waves in here. It kind of looks like this is a correction with a break, so like a 1 and a 2, a trend with a break, that is, with like a running flat right there, so a running flat wave 2, and then this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 3, and then this is like an expanding flat for the wave 4, and then this is possibly a wave 5, so I do see a possible 5 waves here. So if it does go down at the news, if it does break structure, then I definitely would start looking for shorts again, because it could be the end of a wave 2 on the higher time frames. If it does not go down, if it does not break structure like this, then continue to look for longs every single chance you get. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.